Introducing the ultimate duffel bag, your perfect companion for every adventure, both indoors and out. Whether you're hitting the gym, heading to the yoga studio, or embarking on a weekend camping trip, our Sport Gym bag is your reliable partner. Designed to accommodate all your needs, this versatile duffel bag is ready for any activity. Its multi-purpose design offers flexibility. Carry it as a handbag or crossbody bag with the comfortable, adjustable strap. Inside, you'll find a padded sleeve to protect your 15.6-inch laptop, along with multiple compartments to keep everything organized and accessible. Traveling by air, this bag is airplane friendly, making it the perfect carry-on for your weekend getaways or business trips. Worried about keeping your wet and dry items separate? No problem. Our duffel bag features high-density, water-resistant material to keep your belongings safe and organized, no matter where your journey takes you. And when you're not using it, the bag folds down to the size of a book, making it easy to store and carry wherever you go. From the gym to the airport, and everywhere in between, this duffel bag is the only companion you'll ever need. Get yours today and experience the perfect blend of style, functionality, and convenience.